What's up, Bimmers? Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing that oil service light on your BMW M4, don't worry. It's just a reminder that it's time for an oil change. But once you've changed the oil, you'll need to reset the service light to keep your maintenance schedule accurate. Lucky for you, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's jump right in. Alright, in this section, I'll show you how to reset the oil service light on the first generation of BMW M4 or F82 and F83 versions. So let's get to work. Step 1. Press the start button once with your foot off of the brake pedal. Step 2. Hold the dash button on the left for about 10 seconds until you can see the reset menu. Step 3. Hit the dash button repeatedly until you find the engine oil menu. Step 4. Next, hold the button again, and it will ask you to reset. Step 5. Hold the button one last time, and then you'll see reset in progress, so wait till it has done, and you're good to go. Okay, now I'll show you how to reset the oil service light on the second generation BMW M4 or G82 and G83 models. So let's get rolling on this. Step 1. Hit the start button 3 times rapidly and wait until you get to the diagnostic mode. Step 2. Hold down the BC button on the left stalk for 10 seconds until you see the reset menu. Step 3. Press the BC button repeatedly to find the engine oil menu. Step 4. Once you get it, you will go ahead and hold the BC button, so it's going to ask me, do you want to reset it? Step 5. Finally, press the BC button one more time and wait until the reset progress bar finishes and you're done. So that's pretty much it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more BMW maintenance tips and tricks. Have questions or want to see more tutorials? Drop us a comment below. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for our next video.